Christy chuan Spain a vacation man na trang nautelem pakhataleya ti chuan England a hon le in hemi nu vel hian a chena bulvela chuan thomak tak tak a hrachin zom ngala a soidanin zankhat chu dar thum le minute sombor vela a fate in fiam na room a thom hri a ven fiar tura kal chuan he thil mak tak hi atong ta ni anautelem chu ama a achelai hmu rolin a phone camera chuan a record ngala heng thil zong zong hi Christy tan chuan amak danglam tok to hle ni ti chuan chu naute chu bom te a khungin CCTV camera in alata a he thil thleng mak tak hi ala futa ni hemi nu hian naute chu pona te a handa china.
This has been going on since like 8 o'clock this evening. We've actually put the doll in the car because things have got really strange. There she is. Oh my.
Naute chu in chunga an la lut le a ti chuan he thil mak tak hi CCTV chuan an la chhun zom zela he thil thleng mak tak hi an la fu le ta
And we've caught something. We're not sure what it is. It's just freaky. I don't know. Look at the bottom of the video and you'll see it go past. The video is 2 seconds long, so yeah.
Camera pha chuan thil engemaw ron tlan phei sok lai a ron langa he thil hi nautelem rang tak tak nge ni anga alem in ti dar na mei mei niang le Canada rama mi pakhat chu api thina ina a in san lut deuh chawa ti chuan zanlai vela thomak tak hria ta wangin a thang hara a mobile phone chu la chuakin heng thil mak tak hi a record ta ni
Okay, it's like midnight right now. I was sleeping on my couch and I heard a loud bang. I've heard it before, but I didn't know what it was. I just thought it was the dogs on the deck or something. But I think if I sit and wait, you'll see I just seen it. I don't know what it is. I have no idea what it is. There it is. It's my cupboards. Let's see. Holy sake. I'm just gonna sit here and videotape for a minute. See what happens. See what happens. This is scary. Oh, holy. Holy. Ooh, I'm just shaking. Look at my goosebumps. Okay. It's my grandma's old house too. It's old. I remember that light being on. Let's see what this looks like. I don't want to go too close to. That's just creepy. You have no idea. Like, there's nobody in my house right now. Like, nobody. I can hear something in that room. Okay. That's weird. What is that? Somebody's in that room.
Allau na wangin a multhi te po an ding vek thei hialani.
Go look. What's the worst that's gonna happen? Ooh, it's scary. There's like nobody in here. I'm freaking out, man. This is scary. This is really scary. I knew I could hear stuff before, but I don't know. It's so weird. Like I could hear it. Oh. I'm going outside.
Thawm velan sat zel wangin pawna chuak te deya tlasang thil ti nge Ramhuai thil ti rin zawk le atak nge ani hi aw. Hepa hian mun sang hlom tak tak te po alo fia to thina a video than khat po kalo upload to kha tun tum hian khali le in ti mai a thlak taka a chung te that tu le ama nun na nge le tu che na mun sang a fia don ani a soidan chuan khali le thla wangin he in hi a sang ani.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أعوذ بكلمات الله التامات من شر ما خلق يا كل شيء وان بهاي المواقف بتكون الشغلة يا قاتل يا مقتول. طبعا أعوذ بك يا قاتل يا مقتول أعوذ بكلمات الله التامات. بسم الله بسم الله بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أعوذ بكلمات الله. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. طلعوا بسم الله يي بسم الله بسم الله. أعوذ بكلمات الله التامات من شر ما خلق. جن والله عارف إنك جن وحياة الله. بسم الله تعال. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إذا جن تعال. لا شو تعال قشعر بدني وحياة.
Tichuan in chung lamahan en chau le zel dona in noya athil ton ai rap thlak fe kha atong chau zel don ani. Dar thalanga ain en hian a hnunga midang loading ang tak a hmu ni han en zel chin tiang. alem nge takani rin le ingai dan lo comment la kan sai ho do ni ga tro khali la thla kha a om tak tak ringem